Spoiled by Coco presents Baked Vada Pav. First, in a bowl, take 121 gram warm milk. By warm, I mean if you put your finger in, you should not feel any discomfort. To this, add 1 teaspoon caster sugar and mix to dissolve it in. Now I'll add 1 teaspoon of instant yeast and gently mix it also. Now I'll cover it with a cling film and let rest for 10 minutes for yeast to activate and bloom. It should look like this once it's activated. If it isn't bubbly and frothy, discard the mixture and make it again. Add 168 gram all-purpose flour, a good pinch of salt, add 10 gram unsalted butter. Now I'll knead it with stand mixture. You can also knead it by hand on a kitchen counter. I have already shown how to do just that in my pav bhaji recipe. I'll share the link in the description box below. It will take about 10 to 12 minutes for our dough to be ready. Once done, I will transfer it to my working station, knead it slightly, then tuck its corner and give it a round shape. To smooth out the top, I'll cup the dough between my palms and pull it towards me while sliding it on the counter. Before proofing, sprinkle some flour in a clean bowl you're using, then place your dough and sprinkle some more on top. Alternatively, you can use oil. Then cover with a cling film and let proof for 1 hour in warm place till it doubles in size. In the meanwhile, let us prepare our other elements. For filling, in a pan add 2 tablespoon oil, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida powder, hing, half teaspoon cumin seeds, jeera and let it crackle. Then add half teaspoon mustard seed, rye and let it crackle. 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, haldi. Add 3 medium-sized mashed boiled potatoes. Lastly, add salt to taste and mix everything well together. You can adjust the quantity of spices according to your taste. Mash the potato with the back of a spatula and cook it well. Now transfer the filling to a plate and spread it. Leave to cool completely. Once cooled, take a spoonful of it and place it on your palm of one hand. Gently press to give a round shape, then roll it between your palms to make a smooth potato filling ball. Shape all the filling balls like this and keep aside until use. Next, for the peanut masala, roast 25 gram of raw peanut in a pan on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Once slightly roasted, transfer it to a plate to cool it down before removing their skin. For that, transfer it to a kitchen towel and gently rub it. This way, it will be easier to remove their skin. Transfer it to a grinder, add a pinch of salt, 1/8 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder and grind it coarsely. Or you can grind it coarsely using a mortar pestle. For green chutney, take handful of coriander and chop it roughly. Add it in a blender and add small green chili, 1 inch ginger. Add 8 to 10 curry leaves, these are optional. Then add salt to taste and grind it coarsely. I have grinded it without any water since we want it dry and coarse. Keep aside until use. Our dough has proved nicely, it's double in size. Subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to turn on that bell icon so that you can get notified each time I share a new recipe. Now knock it to degas it. Sprinkle some flour on your working station and transfer the dough. Knead it slightly before shaping it like a log. I'll cut and weigh the dough to be 60 gram each. This way I'll have equal sized dough balls. Then using a rolling pin, roll it like this to a rough round shape. No need it for it to be perfectly round. Then apply the green chutney. This is why we made it without water and coarse, so that our dough does not become soggy. Then sprinkle the peanut masala. This will give a bite and flavor. Finally, place the aloo stuffing ball, the vada, in the middle. Bring the edges together of the dough and seal it properly. Please give my video a thumbs up. This will help me promote the video further on YouTube. And gently roll it to form a dough ball. Shape all the vada pav similarly. Place them in a greased pan. Here I am using a 7-inch square tin which I have greased it with oil. Place all the shaped vada pavs in it. Cover with a kitchen towel or cling film and let proof for 20 to 30 minutes. After second proof, see they have increased in size. Now I'll take half tablespoon honey. To this I'll add milk and make an egg replacer wash. Brush it over my vada properly. Adding honey will give nice gold color that is often achieved by egg wash, though it will not provide sweetness. Bake these in a preheated oven at 180 Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes or till it has nice golden color on top. While they are baking, I'll prepare a butter mixture to coat my vada pav as soon as they are out of the oven. In a bowl, take some melted butter. To this add chopped coriander leaves, some masala peanut crush and mix. Our vada pavs have baked with a nice golden color on top. I brush the butter mixture all over it. This will keep the pav surface soft. Sprinkle some more peanut crunch. Our baked vada pavs are ready. Let us plate them. I'll slice and show you the inside. While for another, let us prepare it to eat. You can always have them like this as a whole. Just dip it in sweet imli chutney or coriander chutney and enjoy. Or like me, spread some imli sauce, that is tamarind sauce, and coriander chutney. Then add some save to give it a nice spicy kick. I'll also add a green chili which is fried and is often served with vada pav. Enjoy this vada pav that is not fried but baked. Do subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon. Give this video a thumbs up to help it spread. Thank you for watching Spoiled by Coco.